Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Let's make some sweet Zobo drink without sugar. If you've been wanting to make Zobo but you don't want to sweeten it with sugar, then this is a go-to recipe. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. I have pineapple peel from one medium-sized pineapple, and in that goes. This is cloves, really good and adds a rich flavor to this drink. That's 1 tablespoon. I have here grated ginger. I prefer to grate or blend for a more intense flavor. If you prefer it light, then cut into small sizes and use like that. Hibiscus flowers, commonly called Zobo here in Nigeria. I have picked out the dirt from this and also washed it. Please don't like this video only in your mind. I need you to show it by clicking that like button. Thank you. Now add in some water, just enough to cover the hibiscus flowers. Then I'll cover it and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. And while that is going on, I will blend some pineapples. I have 4 cups. Please see the measurement of ingredients used in the description box. This process would be a whole lot faster and easier if I had a juicer, but I don't, so I'm using my blender, which works fine too. And to that, I'll add some dates. I have removed the pits and soaked it for about an hour to soften. I should mention that these are dried dates and it's what's common here. If you can get the fresh ones, even better. Dates are really sweet. In fact, I think they're sweeter than sugar. They are healthy and packed with a lot of health benefits. So in place of sugar, you can use dates to sweeten your foods or drinks. I added a bit of water to that and I'll blend smoothly. After blending, I'll pass it through a cheesecloth and extract the juice. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not and like this video. It makes me happy and encourages me to keep going. Thank you. All done. This is the pineapple and date juice. Okay, checking on the Zobo now. It's boiled and the aroma has filled the entire house. I will let it cool a bit, then scoop out the hibiscus flowers. That's not all. I will still pass it through this fine sieve to further remove smaller particles that the bigger sieve couldn't catch. And as you can see, the sieve was able to catch these tiny particles. Now I'm going to add the juice to the Zobo. I'll mix it well, I'll let it cool some more, and I'll chill it in the fridge. Guys, the Zobo just came out of the fridge and it's super cold and great for this hot afternoon in Lagos. So like I said earlier, if you'd like to make Zobo that is absolutely delicious yet you don't want to use sugar, I hope you can use this recipe. I hope it works for you. This is really sweet, actually very sweet, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you also for all the words of encouragement you leave in the comments. They mean so much to me. God bless you. Please feel free to share this video with your loved ones, and I'll see you again with another fantastic recipe. Bye.